Hi, this is Amy and Chloe with Loco Soap Co. We are about to start the process of our high temperature fluid hot process. That's a mouthful. Lavender soap.
I have a couple of specks of lavender that I wasn't able to strain out really well floating down in there, if you can see him.
Yes. Lavender, it doesn't look attractive in the soap. Okay, our oils were at 230 and we've added our lye already. We're going to get to stick blending now. Okay. He has come to trace. You can hear by that change in pitch that the soap is about to start expanding. This batter already smells so good because we are using our nourishing oil that's been infused with lavender. Soon I'm going to go ahead and pull out the stick blender and wait for the expansion. Here it comes. One of my friends jokes that for hot process soap makers, we're all kind of hooked on this expansion, that's what keeps us coming back. I can't really say I disagree because it is, no matter how many times you've done it, it's always a little fun and a little magic, so long as your container is 2 to 3 times the size of your batter. We like to use a container that's 3 times the size. Let's see what happens if I blow on it a little. Nothing. I don't know if you can hear that on the video or not, but that is really making some noise. Some bubbly noises. Alright, I'm going to give this a stir. And swap back for my stick blender again. You hear it? The expansion's coming. I'm going to try to just blend through it this time. It shouldn't be so big. First, I'm going to add my sodium lactate.
Fluffy applesauce stage.
Yep. Yeah, he's filling right up. He's going to go right into mashed potatoes pretty quick.
Oh yeah, steamy.
A lot of times as soap makers, we call this a volcano, which I think makes it sound a lot scarier than it is, because it doesn't usually erupt up and out the middle. It usually is just an expansion where it all rises at the same time. Give this a good stir.
He's probably ready to cover.
I think he is.
Alright.
Okay, so we're going to cover this, and we'll be back in 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. Let's give this a stir. Okay.
Steamy, let me try
It is
relocating.
steamy. Well, you do a good job of staying out of the way of my arm and the steam and all of it, because I give you zero consideration when I'm going about my business.
I think that's quick in this
I think that's ready for our super fat now. And this particular bar, the super fat, is a mix of coconut oil and our custom blend, that Nourishing Oil, so that there's some of that left over after everything has saponified.
He looks so nice and smooth.
Yeah, it is really smooth. I think we're going to cover him again. I'm going to give it another...
I wish we'd get one of those soft, glossy expansions.
I know. We didn't get any this time. This is slower because it has such a high conditioning, has such a high level of conditioning oils.
Something with coconut oil, a lot of coconut oil in here will be more feisty.
Yeah. Okay, so we are going to cover this and come back in, I think, another 4 minutes and see if we have hit gel, which in our last video I said Jill every time. I don't know why. But we're going to see if we can get gel. And,
every now and then that southern accent will catch you.
It comes right out. All right, here we go.
Ooh, he's beautiful.
He is. Okay, this has actually been 6 minutes, not 4. I pulled it off at 4. I tested it was not yet soap. So I did a little bit more whisking, maybe 30 seconds worth. And came and put the lid back on for 2 more minutes. And now, as you can see, we've hit just a beautiful gel down there at the bottom. I'm probably going to let it gel for 1 more minute until all of it is gelled, and then we'll look at
we'll see you guys at the cut.
Yeah. Really lovely. This is how we cut our soap. We use a multi-cutter from Essential Depot, and so far we really, really love it. Nice. Oh, I love it. It's just what I wanted. Great. And now for the second half of that loaf. Oop. Really nice. Lovely. I love how each one is different just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Mm-hmm. Nice.
That's neat.
That is neat. A little creamier.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad we didn't add anything to lighten up that creamy color, because I really like that. Good call there.
Thank you.
Once again, you are the purple.
He didn't have much.
All things purple.
Poor fella.
He did not get much. Oh, they smell great. Nice. Thank you.